African homeowners, your municipality might already be watching your house. Municipalities across South Africa are now actively hunting for property owners breaking zoning laws, and the penalties are huge. So what is zoning? Zoning is basically the official rule that says what your property is allowed to be used for, like only living in it, business use, student accommodation, or short-term rentals like Airbnb. So if you use your property in a way that doesn't match its zoning, you're breaking municipal rules even if you didn't know it. And municipalities are under serious financial pressure. So now they're raising money by issuing penalty rates to homeowners. And this isn't just in one city. It's happening in Gauteng, Western Cape, KZN, Joburg, Tshwane, Cape Town, eThekwini, basically everywhere. You can get penalized if you're running an Airbnb, student accommodation, a business from home, backyard rooms, extra dwellings, even a creche or workshop at home. And here's the scary part, some municipalities are backdating the penalties and sending people massive bills. So they don't even start with site visits. They check your zoning records, your water and electricity usage, your building plans, even your online listings and neighbor complaints. If something doesn't match, inspectors can show up without a warning. A court ruling in 2021 gave municipalities full power to fine you even without changing your property category first. In some cities, penalty rates are several times higher than normal municipal rates. So if you rent out a room, run a small business, or use your house differently than what it's zoned for, you need to check your zoning now. Because the worst way to find out is when the bill arrives. So what do you think of this? Let me know in the comments.